Hello, everyone. Welcome to Big Progress Channel. We are so happy you are here today.
Yes, welcome, welcome. If you want to learn English, but sometimes feel lost, you are in the right place.
Oh, yes. Many people feel that way. They understand English, but they still cannot speak.
They study a lot, but their English does not improve fast.
And maybe you feel tired. Maybe you feel confused. Maybe you ask yourself, why is English still so hard for me?
Or maybe you think, do I need to study 5 hours every day? Do I need a big study plan? Do I need a perfect method?
But guess what?
What?
I will tell you a secret.
A real secret?
Yes, a simple secret, a small secret, but a powerful secret.
Wow, I like secrets. Tell me more.
Not yet. First, let me ask you something.
Okay, ask me.
Do you want to improve your English every day, but feel like you have no time?
Oh, yes, that is me, and also many people who listen to us.
Do you want to speak English naturally, but you don't know how to practice?
Yes, that is also me.
Do you want to feel confident, but you don't know where to start?
Me again. So many problems.
Good, because today we fix them. Today we show you a simple way to learn English fast without stress.
Wow, that sounds amazing.
And the best part?
What is the best part?
You only need 5 minutes.
5 minutes?
Only 5.
Only 5.
Yes, 5. Not 50, not 5 hours, only 5 minutes.
That sounds so easy. Too easy.
That's the secret.
Oh, I think I know where we're going. Small things every day.
Yes, that is the secret. Small things every day make a big change.
Wow. Okay, so tell me more. What small things can we do?
Many things, fun things, simple things. Anyone can do them, even beginners.
Good, because I am a beginner.
Yes, Lamb is our super beginner, our champion of beginners.
Hey, I am proud of that because beginners make big progress.
Exactly. So let's start with the first small thing. The first small thing is simple. Listen to one English song every day.
Only one song?
Yes, one song is enough.
That sounds fun already. I like music.
Me too. Music is powerful. It makes learning natural. You can listen in the car,
On the bus,
when you cook.
when you shower.
Exactly. And you don't need to study the song, just enjoy it.
But can beginners understand the words?
Maybe not, but that's okay. The goal is not understanding everything. The goal is getting English into your ears every day.
So the sound becomes familiar.
Yes, the rhythm, the melody, the pronunciation. And if you want more, you can read the lyrics.
And sing?
Yes, singing helps pronunciation.
But I sing badly.
Perfect. That is even better.
Really?
Yes, because when we sing badly, we relax, we forget fear, and we practice with fun.
Ah, I love that. So One song a day equals small English brick?
Yes, one English brick.
Okay, teacher, what is the second small thing?
Watch a short English video.
A movie?
No. Movies are too long, too difficult.
Yes, I always fall asleep when I watch a movie in English.
See, that is why we choose small things. A short video is perfect. 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes.
What kind of video?
Cartoons for children.
Cartoons. For me? But I'm an adult.
Yes, but your English is still a baby.
Hey, that is true. Okay, I accept.
Good. Cartoons are simple, slow, clear. They use easy vocabulary and they are fun.
And short.
Yes, you can watch one cartoon in 5 minutes. Everyone has 5 minutes.
Even me. I have 5 minutes when I wait for noodles.
Great. Then your noodle time is your English improvement time.
I love this system already.
Now we go to the next small thing. Speaking.
Oh no. Speaking is scary.
Not with my method.
Really?
Yes, because we speak with someone special.
Who?
Yourself.
Myself. So I talk to myself?
Yes.
Am I going to look crazy?
Maybe a little, but it works.
Okay, tell me how.
Look around your room and say what you see.
Simple sentences.
Yes.
Like, this is a table?
Yes. This is a chair. The chair is blue.
Perfect. Wow, I'm speaking English already.
See? Very easy. You can also talk about your plan for the day.
Like, today, I will drink coffee, then I will go to work.
Exactly. Short, simple, useful.
And no need for a friend.
Yes, you are your own practice partner. Okay, teacher, what is next?
Reading.
Oh no, reading is hard.
Only if you choose hard books. But today, we choose easy books.
Children's books,
Yes, perfect for beginners.
they have pictures, right?
Yes, pictures help you understand the story. You can read one page a day.
Only one?
Yes, one page is enough. After a month, you finish a book.
Wow, that feels so good. Yes, you feel progress and you enjoy the story.
But what if someone does not have books at home?
They can read online. There are many websites with news for beginners.
5 minutes reading?
Yes, very simple.
Okay, we did listening, watching, speaking, reading, writing, but something is still missing.
Missing? Really? What is missing?
A very important part. Maybe the most important part.
Oh no. What is it? Tell me. I will tell you in a moment.
A moment. Hana, don't make me wait.
I promise. It's simple and it will change everything.
Okay, I'm ready.
Okay, Lamb. So now that everyone knows why learning English feels hard sometimes, let's talk about something fun today. Future travel plans. Are you ready, Lamb?
I think so, but please go slow. My English is still, baby level.
Baby level, but powerful. Okay, let's warm up with an easy question. Where do you want to travel in the future?
I want to go to Japan because I want to eat ramen every day.
Every day? Lamb, if you eat ramen every day, you will turn into a ramen noodle. Imagine, hello, I am lamb noodle.
That's okay. At least I'm delicious.
Okay. Serious now. Let's help our listeners learn some simple future English. We'll use the structure I want to, I will, I'm going to.
Easy. These are my three best friends. Sometimes.
Lamb, say one sentence with I want to.
I want to travel to Japan.
Perfect. Now, one sentence with I will. I will equals decision now, at this moment.
I will save money starting today. Maybe.
Maybe. Lamb, it must be 100%. Say it again. Strong energy.
Okay. I will save money. Maybe.
Fine. Good enough for now. Now, one sentence with I'm going to. I'm going to equals plan already.
I'm going to eat ramen when I visit Japan.
That's truly your life mission, isn't it?
Yes, I was born for ramen.
Okay, let's teach listeners some easy travel vocabulary. Repeat after me. Airport, ticket, hotel, bag, map, food, taxi.
Airport, ticket, hotel, bag, map, food, taxi. Very easy, except for hotel. Sometimes I say hot hell.
Lamb, please don't say hot hell. People will get scared.
But I want a room in hot hell. See? Very funny.
No, not funny. Okay, maybe a little. Let's show listeners a super simple mini conversation about future travel. I'll be Hana the traveler. You be Lamb the ramen master. Ready?
Born ready.
Where do you want to travel?
I want to travel to Japan.
What will you do there?
I will eat ramen. I will visit temples. I will buy anime figures.
What are you going to prepare?
I'm going to buy a ticket and save money. Maybe.
Lamb, not maybe. Say yes.
Okay. I'm going to save money. Yes.
Lamb, imagine you were at the airport. Your English is basic, but you are confident. Tell me what happens.
Okay. I go to the airport. I feel excited. I wear my lucky socks.
Good. Continue.
I look at the big board. I see many flights. Tokyo, Seoul, Paris. But I cannot find my flight.
Oh no. What do you do?
I panic. I sweat. I almost cry. Then I ask a staff member, Excuse me, where my plane?
Oh, wow. Strong grammar.
Thank you. The staff says, Sir, this is a bus station.
Lamb, you went to the wrong place.
Yes, story of my life.
Okay, everyone. Here are some super easy phrases you can use. I want to visit blank. I will take a taxi. I'm going to book a hotel. Can you help me? Where is the airport? I need a ticket. How much is this?
Very simple. Even I can use them. And if I can, you can too.
Okay, listeners, repeat slowly with me. I want to travel. I will save money. I'm going to learn English every day.
And repeat with me. I will eat ramen. This one is very important.
Lamb, stop with the ramen. Okay, everyone, let's review what you learned today. I want to, your wish. I will, your decision now. I'm going to, your plan. Simple travel words. Airport, hotel, ticket, map, food, taxi. Easy phrases for beginners.
And don't forget the most important lesson. Never say hot hail.
Yes, that too. If you enjoyed this slow, simple podcast, please subscribe to Big Progress channel. Your support helps us make more fun English lessons every week.
Like the video, leave a comment, and tell us, where do you want to travel in the future?
We read every comment and we love hearing from you.
Okay, Hannah. I think now we go eat ramen.
Yes, Lamb. Let's go.